Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Online Gear. Today I am back with another review video, and that video is about Champion Blogger. In this video course you will learn how to create a profitable authority blog in any niche that converts. Starting today. This video course will take you behind the scenes to help you understand how to create a profitable blog in right way. So let's start the video. One of the numerous approaches to speak with your crowd is through a blog. And this video course is all about blogging. From this video course you can learn how to do blogging and how can you start earn money by doing blogging. The main motive of this video course is to make you a successful blogger, and this video course name is also a Champion Blogger. Sounds cool, right? There are a huge number of online journals out there. Actually, a considerable lot of the web journals out there neglected to ever turn into an expert in their specialty, and we don't need that to transpire. Making a blog encompassing a subject that is sought after and turning into an authority can have extraordinary advantages. In addition to the fact that you are ready to impart to the world answers for their issues, however you are likewise ready to adapt it. Be that as it may, all things considered, numerous individuals wrongly focus on the adaptation of the blog first, as opposed to building it up and making authority first. In any case, how would you approach making authority? Clearly, authority has nothing to do with employing a mallet, it's the capacity to pick up trust by giving monstrous worth. Okay, prefer to figure out how to do that? Okay, prefer to figure out how to make a beneficial blog that gives a non-stop benefit stream? Also, more significantly, okay, prefer to figure out how to guarantee that you have boundless measures of sought-after subjects to discuss? Is it true that you are ready to finally succeed at this? You're in the right place. Presenting Champion Blogger. In this software you can find how to create a profitable blog and how to have any kind of effect, get saw, and impact individuals while building your image and making extra salary. This step-by-step brand new 9-part video course will take you by hand and make you a pro blogger. So what's inside Champion Blogger? 1. Introduction and getting started. 2. Find a profitable niche. 3. Longevity test. 4. Authority test. 5. Competition test. 6. Product test. 7. Topic generation. 8. Blog post creation. 9. Blogging platforms. Not just that, you will also get the bonuses on purchasing of Champion Blogger. So, what you will get in bonus? Bonus 1. Blogging Masterclass. Bonus 2. Simple ways to monetize your blog instantly. Bonus 3. How to use your blog to generate leads. Bonus 4. Best blog widgets and plugins. Bonus 5. WP Commission Cloaker. With Champion Blogger it's time to stop trying out blogging and start mastering it. 30 days money back guarantee. There's no risk. So, hurry up guys. Snatch this video course today and access it following your buy. No holding up in line, and regardless of whether it is 4 a.m. in the first part of the day, you'll have moment access to building your gainful power blog in a matter of seconds by any means. I have kept link of this video course in description down below, and get access now. If you like this video then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Online Gear. I will be uploading such kind of informative video in upcoming days. So, see you guys in next video. Thank you.